Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful lesson from Epictetus about staying true to yourself and doing what you know is right, even if others might misunderstand or judge you. This mindset is about building inner confidence and courage in your decisions, so you're not constantly swayed by external opinions. Let's break down how to embrace this Stoic approach and make choices that align with your values without fear of judgment. Part 1. Act with integrity, not approval. Epictetus tells us that if we're acting from a clear sense of what's right, we shouldn't shy away from being seen doing it, even if others might not get it. The key here is to make choices based on your own understanding and principles, rather than trying to please everyone around you. Imagine you're making a decision because you genuinely believe it's the right thing to do. If you're confident in your choice, why let the opinions of others make you second-guess yourself? When we act with integrity rather than seeking approval, we feel a sense of peace and purpose, knowing our actions are in line with our own values. Part 2. Know when to tune out criticism. Epictetus reminds us that if we're doing something from a place of truth and integrity, we shouldn't fear criticism from those who misunderstand or disagree. Often, people judge based on their own perspectives or biases, not necessarily on the full picture. When you're clear on why you're making a choice, other people's opinions become less impactful. This doesn't mean we ignore constructive feedback. It's about learning to recognize when criticism is more about the other person's perspective than about any real issue with what we're doing. Part 3. How to build confidence in your choices. Here's how you can start practicing this approach and make decisions with confidence, no matter what others think. 1. Be clear on your values and intentions. Before you make a choice, ask yourself, why am I doing this, and does this align with my values? The clearer you are on your reasons, the stronger your confidence will be. 2. Reflect on your actions regularly. Take a moment to review your decisions and ensure they still feel aligned with your values. When you're acting from a place of authenticity, you'll be less rattled by others' opinions. 3. Embrace constructive criticism. Ignore the noise. If someone's feedback is useful, consider it. But if it's just noise from people who don't understand your motives, let it go. Trust in your judgment. Part 4. The freedom of living authentically. When we stop fearing what others think, we gain a new level of freedom. Epictetus shows us that we don't need to prove ourselves to everyone or seek validation for our choices. True confidence comes from within, from knowing that we're living authentically and making choices that reflect who we are and what we stand for. This mindset allows us to focus on what really matters, staying true to our own principles without getting caught up in the endless pursuit of approval. By letting go of the need to be understood by everyone, we create space for inner peace and purpose. Wrap up. So, if you want to feel more confident and grounded in your decisions, start by acting from a place of integrity and letting go of the need for external validation. Next time you make a choice, remind yourself, if it's the right action, there's no need to fear criticism. Your true peace and strength come from staying true to your values. Let me know in the comments if this resonates with you or if you're working on building inner confidence in your choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on living authentically and embracing your true self. Until next time, remember, if you're doing what's right, there's no reason to fear what others think.